Hello out there. I managed to make you a short video, and it's about this axe that I made. The Danish summer this year isn't really summer. It's been raining without end. So I made a small project. Looks like this. I'm not really, what do you call it, a seasoned woodworking expert when it comes to axes, but I find it came out quite nice, and I like it. I like the ergonomics. Something very special about the head as well. It's standard DSI 2. It originally looked like something like this one, this Hultafors, and I simply cut it like this, and the DSI was pretty worn out, so I gave it a try. I haven't done this before. I simply used an angle grinder and files and stuff, and it was actually easier than I thought. The only difficult part is never to get the steel too hot. I tried to sharpen it, fill it with stone, and I didn't touch the hardening at all. A dead giveaway is if when cutting, if it turns blue, you can throw it out or re-harden and reheat it and reharden it. I don't know how to do that, so luckily I made it without ruining it. So this is what it looks like, and it's actually intended as a gift. I hope you'll like it. I certainly do. I'm satisfied. So it's not actually a movie from the process. It's a series of still pictures, and I'll let you see the single steps. If you're gonna try this out, or if I'm going to make more of these, I'll definitely need a shaving horse or something like that, and a new set of files. My old files won't do. And maybe a what do you call it? I have this very old draw knife, but I think it would be better with a like a spoke shave. Works like a plane, but you sort of draw it like a draw knife. That would be a good idea. And well, yeah, I managed anyway. And yeah, this was my main tool, my Vitellings 118. The rough shape, all of it, until you can see the pictures. This was my main tool. So I wanted to try it if you could use a rather long hatchet like this for finer work like this. And it worked out quite well. I really like these Vitellings. They're really good. So, yeah, enjoy and leave a comment on what you think. I'm not sure about the pattern. I simply made it the way I think something like this should look. Take a look at the pictures.